Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily fix low volume issue on Nubia RedMagic Thin Air. So first, check the volume settings. So we're gonna unlock our phone now, go over to the settings, now go to sound and vibration, and here make sure that it is set to the max for music, video, and game. So here you will also have separate volume controls, and make sure that the MIDI one, which is the music, video, and game, is turned up to the max. So if this didn't work, then what you guys can do is try turning off battery saver or power saving mode. So as you guys can see, after we go over the battery, we need to make sure that everything here is turned off, because it can often reduce the volume to preserve the battery, so make sure that it's disabled. Now here what you guys can do is try to check for the software updates. So scroll a bit down until you see system and update. Here you will guys have system update. Now it will check for updates automatically. As you guys can see, my software is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you updating it, because some older versions may have various glitches, including the low volume problem. So always run the latest version of your software. And if that still didn't work, then if you're using some Bluetooth speakers or headphones, check if they are connected to your phone, because sometimes they can just transmit the audio to the headphones instead of the phone. So make sure that the Bluetooth is disabled and no device is connected. Now for the last resort, if all else fails, then you might want to perform a factory reset. I know it's very drastic, but it'll turn your phone to its original state, and it will eliminate any software issues that might be affecting the volume. So first, back up your phone using the backup category in the system and update. Now go to reset options, and here go over to erase all data, which is the factory reset. Now here click erase all data once, then twice. And now all you gotta do is just wait. Now your phone is getting brought back to the default settings. And if that still didn't help, then you can check for the hardware issues with the Bluetooth module or with the speaker. So if your volume still is low, then you can use the repair center, and it might be necessary, because those hardware failures aren't always noticeable at first, but they can cause issues like the low volume. So that would be it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.